Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to show you the tutorial how to use Google language tool on your phone. So the device that I use now is iPhone XR, and the way we use the language tool on Google, just go into the Safari, and after that we need to access the new page by click this plus button, and after that you just need to type a google.com, and after that just need to go click search, and here's the look of Google. And to access the Google language, you just need to go click this small dots, and scrolling down find out the products that provide by the Google. And Google provide a lot of products, and one of them is language, and which now is changed into the translate, and after that you just need to click it. And now you have an access into the Google language tools, or now we call it as Google Translate. You can add or input in the language that you fluent to. For example, you are fluent in English, you just need to click English, and after that if you want to learn French, just type French. Okay, and now we just need to type the words that you want to translate to, for example a banana, and you just need to click it, and the Google will be translate into the French to you. And you can also learn how the way to pronounce this word on French by click this speakers
banane.
Okay, and now you just need to follow it, and that will be the same for the rest word that you want to learn into another language. So that's the way how to use language tools on the Google. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.